Ako na lang. Ladies first.
Ladies first.
Can you share a personal love story or experience that relates to the theme of the film? Kailangan ko ba i-share yung personal experience ko na yung mga minamahalin ko, nagdi-disappear? Wala! Grabe naman yung personal experience na yan. Nakaka-offend. Pero ngayon naman may nag-appear.
Did you videotape that? Send that to me. Huh? Send that to me. I'm gonna post that all over the place.
Grabe naman yun.
What do you think, Paolo? Okay lang yan?
Next question na, bunot ka na.
Bunot ka na. Sagutin ko rin. Sagutin ko na.
Sagutin mo! Sagutin mo!
Hindi pa talaga ako nakaka-experience ng pagmamahal. Ngayon pa lang.
Actually, wala po talaga kayo papanoorin movie. Live po talaga po.
Medyo masyadong serious yung question.
Pwede ba na mamili ng tanong?
What's one thing people assume about being an actor that isn't true at all?
People assume.
Everybody is silent. Clear skin.
Kilala na kanila din.
Hirap na lang.
Everything assume it's all about the glitz and glamour when you see actors or celebrities in the Philippines or anywhere else. But you know, not a lot of people like how you see us. We're also normal people behind the camera, especially me. I'm actually very private in person. I like my work, the movies or the film or the TV shows I do to speak for myself through the characters I portray. And what else? Ikaw?
Sa totoong buhay kasi marami na yung 1,000 words sa kanya. Yeah. Tapos, pero ngayon mga 2,000 na. Jet lag lang ng konti.
Paano ka nabilang?
Yeah. Sama kayo, jogging.
Ikaw, Kim.
Next question na lang.
Sayang, ang dami nang nakaprint. Sayang yung ink.
Hindi, meron pang bukas.
Oo nga pa.
Hanggang Sunday.
What's your favorite fan encounter or message you've received recently?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Ako, meron akong isa for now. Si Mommy, naka-wheelchair, pinapasok. Pagdating nakalakad, nakatalon pa. Nakatalon pa si Mommy. Si Mommy natin. Si Mommy. Nakatalon pa si Mommy. Grabe. Nakatalon pa. Ako yung kinabahan para kay Mommy.
Isa pong puuan ng Paolo Mili.
Mommy, would you like to stand? Let's wait here.
Nakakaglakad
Wait na
at
lang,
nakapagtayo. Iba yun.
So last one.
Yes.
Alright.
Ako na yung sumagot sa tanong ni Kim.
If my love will make you disappear had an alternate ending, how would you want it to go?
Diretso pa.
Ano na? Ano ba?
Can we talk about it yet?
Parang spoiler na.
No, di
First
pa.
day pa lang ng showing.
Yeah. Let's go.
Pero marami akong alternate endings.
Anong gusto mo?
Panoorin na naman.
Have you ever had a real life moment where you wish you could disappear and start over? Wala. Because live life with no regrets. Because experience is the best teacher. It will teach you the lesson first before that. It will give you the test before the lesson. Hanggang doon na lang yung English ko. May jet lag.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna be back and we're gonna watch this movie together right now. Are you guys excited? Yes! Alright, guys, so let's give them... Groovy pa muna. Oh, that's right. Okay.
Can you smile na tayo?
Nandito si Sai. Sai
Alright,
will
guys, so we're
come.
gonna